Guys, welcome to Vworld Nylon Production Company. And today I'm here with my colleagues. We are going to teach you on the step-by-step process of how to make customized nylon. My name is Ebin Agorin Donatus, and I'm from Cross River State. So, if you are just following our page, remember to subscribe and turn on your notification button. I'm going to be your supervisor for today's project. I am here with my colleagues, and let them introduce themselves.
My name is Oyinyechi from Anambra State. I'm here to teach you how to construct the mesh with the wood and this. So stay tuned.
Hello guys, my name is Cynthia. So after constructing the mesh with the fried wood and separate, we are going to mix this emulsion and sensitizers together to put the mesh. Thank you.
Hello guys, my name is Angel from Enugu State. I'm here to teach you how to use this already printed artwork with kerosene. How to apply it to the mesh. Thank you.
My name is Malachi, and our project today is to teach you how to customize nylon. Specifically, I'll be teaching how to use sellotape to tape the mesh against any leakage so that the ink will not be flowing onto the other side. Just like if you look at this very nylon, you will see that the ink flowed to other sides, making it not to be appropriate. So this is why we used the sellotape to ensure that there is no overflow. Thank you very much. Stay tuned.
Okay, my name is Nona Sarah. I'm from Abia State. I'm going to take you guys on how to apply ink on med and how to use this school G on it in scooping the ink. These are my two colors I'm applying, this black and orange. This is what I will use for the today class. Stay tuned.
So watch out how I construct the mesh with the wood and this. I'm done with this. We're tagging it round. Then it's time to cut it. I'm done now. So this is how the thing will look like. Then you put it. So rate me from 1 to 10. Thank you.
So after constructing the mesh, this is how it's going to be. So after that, I'm going to mix emulsion. This is emulsion and this is sensitizer. So I'm going to bring 1 spoon of emulsion. So I'm done mixing them together. So I'm going to put it on this mesh like this. After that, use your screwdriver. Ngwa. Nechi ada. I get them ebe. Now. So I am done smoothing the mesh. So I'm going to keep it for 15 minutes. When you are scooping it, please don't expose it to sunlight. Make sure you stay in a dark place and in a dry place too. Thank
Hello guys. So after the coated mesh has dried, you then get your already printed artwork, already printed art paper. Then get your kerosene, place it on it properly place it and ensure that you set it very well. Then get your kerosene and add it little by little on it. Ensure that the kerosene cover the whole artwork, touch the whole artwork, even the edges. Now, this is where the sunlight will touch it properly. So now you expose it here and allow it to sit for like 10 to 12 minutes, like I said. Thank you.
You guys is too much, guys.
I'll be using these two tapes to cover the sides so that we won't have overflow of any ink through these very areas. So we use the tape to cover both up and down so that everything will be sealed. Because if there's any flow of ink from these places, it will now touch the nylon that you are trying to brand. So watch as I go on with this. I hope you guys are following what I'm doing. Hmm. It's nice, huh? So that's how it should be, so that there won't be excess of ink coming out this way around the frame. So I've sealed from the inside. Look, you see I've sealed from the inside so that when we are printing, so that no ink will come out through these edges. So I've sealed all the edges right round. So that's it for now. So see you when we start printing the nylon. Thank you.
I'm now placing it on the table. And this is my mess that I consult, my artwork paper. Then I'm getting ready to paint with my paint, my ink, or those. Look at this is my squeegee, and this is my paint. Okay, so now I'm not scooping it around. My nylon. Root of the thing after I've made it out like this. So you see that I can now use it and sell someone to a goods or something, a product from a company that actually produced the nylon. Thank you for coming.
Okay, just like I told you guys in the beginning of this video that I'm the inspector for today's project. You can see that they've done the construction of the mesh. They've washed out and we've seen the ink. And now this is the placement. We are trying to produce our customized nylon and he's doing a very great job. This is awesome. This is very, very nice. Impressive. I think at the end of this video, you're going to see how we are going to have this branded customized nylon. Okay, do well to follow, subscribe, like, and share.
Hi guys.
Ma put mic.
You no go. What do you have to say?
I just received my certificate.
You dey on?
My certificate is very
It's
beautiful.
blinking now. This one is not on.
Okay.
Are you sure?
Can you people see? I received my certificate. Oh. It's beautiful. See, it's very, very beautiful. I can tell this one for 1,000. Thank you.
No problem.
I'm so happy that I did my own very well. Patronize us. So.
Always patronize Vworld Nylon Production Company. Thank you. Bye bye. See you in our next episode.